To start, I want to map out where I want my robot face to be, so I just use any type of lip liner. Going forward with liquid latex and using any tissue paper, I just cut little pieces up and you're basically going to try and map out where you put that lip liner. The goal for this look is to seem like my skin had been ripped off and there's scrapes and scratches around and underneath as a robot face. So by using these two components, you really get the ripped skin effect. At this time, you can continue this down your arm or on your hands, wherever you want to give the robot look as well. Using your normal concealer or foundation, or at least one that matches your skin tone, blend over your markings that you just added to your body. At this time, the latex should be dried completely, so using any tool or your fingers, pick off and release the inside edge all around where you've made your markings. I use the CC Beauty paint palette for the rest of the look, and when making the foundation base, I combined the black and white to give a matte gray. And any time that I needed a more accent, vibrant silver, that's when I use the silver in this paint palette, because it really is a good concentrated silver. So I used that if there was any nuts or bolts that I wanted to give for a robot look. Any black eyeliner or liquid black eyeliner to make it more precise. There really is no outline or any guide to follow this. I just kind of winged it. You can grab a picture offline of an actual robot or just wing it. To make the scrapes look more realistic, I use multiple different shades of red. I start with the base using a maroon red from any eyeshadow palette that you had laying around. I had a few different options. Time for precision. I went in with a black eyeliner and darkened everywhere that I needed to. I highlighted where I needed with that silver from the palette. I added a couple circles as if it was some bolts. To shadow the edges, I used the red out of that paint palette. And then I defined the scratches along the face with that color as well. And finished up with some liquid blood, which really gives it the appropriate color once it dries. For the sake of timing, I didn't film the rest of my body that I had painted, but it's the same thing, so I'm sure you get the gist. There you have it. I hope that this look can give someone out there a little creative edge to their Halloween this year.